There is nothing that comes close to cold water immersion in terms of stripping fat off of your body. It activates something called brown fat. Brown fat is our thermostat. Remember that we measure calories by measuring heat. When heat is leaving our bodies, we can say that calories are leaving our bodies. I submerge myself in cold water for 3 minutes minimum, 6 minutes maximum. Try it, I promise you will not be disappointed. It will quickly become your drug of choice.